Hello to all the beautiful people and welcome to Design and Creativity channel. So to make this beautiful candle, you need So let's start making the candle. The very first thing we have to do is to fix our candle wick into the mold like the way I'm showing you here. And now after cutting the extra wick, secure one end of the wick using your clay like the way I'm showing you here. And then with the help of this clay, you can stick your mold onto any flat surface, either on any hard plastic or any cardboard, and secure the other end of the wick using a wood stick exactly in the same way as I am showing you here. And so now after doing all this, our mold is ready to pour the wax into it, but let's keep it aside. And now it's time to prepare the wax color. And just take a pinch of this powdered wax color, and here I am using olive oil to mix into it and to create a paste like consistency, but you can use any other oil also, but please avoid taking mustard oil and coconut oil. Now take your time and mix it well until you will get a paste-like consistency. And now using the same wood stick, you have to create these small dots into the candle making mold like the way I am showing you here. Please guys watch the process carefully, and one thing you have to keep in mind that please don't make bigger dots. And now guys, I would again like to say that take your time and do this process neatly and carefully. And now it's time to pour our paraffin wax into it. So just take your thermometer and measure the temperature. The temperature must be 70 degrees centigrade, not higher than this and not lower than 60 degrees centigrade in any case. Now just to check if there is any leakage, just pour a little amount of wax first, and after a few seconds fill completely your candle making mold with the melted paraffin wax like the way I am showing you here. And guys, this is one of the best example to create a beautiful artifact candle by pouring the melted wax at the right temperature. And now at this stage, just allow your candle to set completely. It will take around 3 to 4 hours to set completely, and then we will demold it, and we'll see how our candle will look. And this is the final look of my candle guys after demolding it, and I am so happy with the amazing look of my beautiful candle. And here is the another candle which I made using the same process, but I just tried to make it in a layered form, so you can also try making this also. And just give me your feedback. And guys, literally telling you I'm so happy with the creation, and I hope that you too are feeling the same. So keep loving me, and we'll meet you in the another video. Till then, bye bye.